you see me, madam?
Bhavika, tell me which lesson we start with yesterday in science?
Can you see me, madam?
Yes. भाविका, कल हम लोग ने साइंस में कौन सा लेसन शुरू किया था?
Air and water.
Air and water. That's right. Okay. Aradhya, we had
Yes, ma'am.
we had read the lesson
We had
yesterday, and I
we had
told
read the
you
lesson yesterday, and I told you
ca- about the air. I told
can,
you,
about the air. I told you.
can we see air? Aradhya,
Can we see air, Aradhya? Yes, ma'am.
can we see air? एयर को हम लोग देख
Can we
सकते
see
हैं?
air? Air को हम लोग देख सकते हैं?
मैम आपकी आवाज
No, ma'am.
We cannot see air.
मैम आपकी आवाज
Ma'am, आपकी आवाज. We cannot see air.
Okay. Somebody was saying, ma'am, I cannot hear. Okay. So, we were talking about air yesterday. Aradhya just said, we cannot see the air. We can only feel it. And yesterday I had given you some examples where all you fill air and what are the uses of air. We all need air. All living things need air, I told you. Yesterday we had studied plants and animals also need air. And I had sent a nice video for you to watch. I hope you all watched that video. Did you? Did you all watch the video, children? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, so all of you watched the video, so you now are aware the importance of air. Bhavika is giving a thumbs down. She did not see the video. What happened, Bhavika?
मैम याद नहीं रहा.
आपको याद रखना है. मैम होमवर्क देती हैं, वो आपको याद रखना है, वो करना है. Shiv also did not see the video. Those who did not see it yesterday, you please make sure you watch it today. All right? So,
मैंने उसका कर डाला.
all right.
Okay.
So
मैम लेकिन मैंने उसका कर डाला था.
let's continue with the
मैम मैंने लेकिन था वो कर डाला.
all right. Shiv, I can hear you. All right. So, I told you moving air is called wind. जब हवा बहुत तेज चलती है, मैंने कल आप लोग को बताया था, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं wind. Now, uses of air also we did. Fish, they breathe the air present in water. And I told you the part of the fish that it uses to breathe. Shanavar? Fish breathe through their which body part? कल बताया था.
Nose.
Gills. Gills. Fish breathe through their gills. Human beings की तरह हमारे और आपकी तरह फिश के पास ये नोज नहीं होती है. फिश के पास ब्रीथ करने के लिए गिल्स होते हैं. Fish breathe through their gills. Alright, and you also studied that a bird uses air to breathe and to fly in the sky. We had made a bird. Show me the bird, how the bird flies. All of you, cross your thumb, Aradhya. Here's the bird. See, Sidra is also flying her bird nicely. That's it. So the bird uses the air to fly and also to breathe. Now we have some pictures given here. We did yesterday. We blown up the balloon, the ball and the floating tube. We fill air into it. जब आप फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, आपकी फुटबॉल में एयर नहीं होती है, आप मम्मी से जाकर बोलते हैं ना, यू गो एंड टेल मम्मी, मम्मी देयर इज नो एयर इन द फुटबॉल. फुटबॉल में हवा नहीं है. हम ठीक से खेल नहीं पाएंगे. Then mummy says, okay. She gets you the pump, air pump, and then she pumps the air into the football. And your cycle tires. जब आप साइकिल चलाते हैं, अगर साइकिल में हवा नहीं होती है तो अच्छे से साइकिल नहीं चलती है. Yes? Then you tell mummy, please get air filled in the cycle tires. Then mummy takes your cycle and gets it done. So we fill air into our cycle tires, balloons, floating tube. Those who learn swimming, the beginners, when they are learning swimming, they need the tube. Taiba is raising her hand. Yes, Taiba, have you used it? Yes? Switch on your mic. Let's hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You all have learned swimming? Or you've seen the tube?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You have seen the tube. The floating tube.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's
Yes,
nice.
ma'am. Yes.
And Sidra, what about you? You want to say
Ma'am,
something?
I will like swimming.
You like
Ma'am, I
swimming?
like-
Okay. So when things get all right, everything is okay, you can tell mummy
Yes.
to teach you. You all can join stadium and learn something. Right?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I am like swimming also.
You also like swimming, Ashwika. That's nice. So then when you're going to learn swimming, you all will make use of the floating tube. Then you'll see it. Yes, Sidra?
Ma'am, I use floating too
You use floating in the pool. Okay, that you know how to swim. You go for a swim.
Yes, ma'am.
That's very nice. Good. So in summers you'll be enjoying then. Now you're growing big, you'll be enjoying the swimming in the pool. Right. That's great.
Ma'am,
Yes.
मैंने भी swimming की है.
Okay. Abdul, that is?
मैम,
Yes.
जब गर्मियाँ आएंगी
Yes.
तब मैं वाटर पार्क जाऊंगी.
Okay, that's nice. And you'll enjoy it.
मैम, मैं वाटर पार्क गई हूँ.
Okay.
मैम,
Yes.
जब मैं कहीं गया था तो मैंने मैच आया था.
All right, Ashwil. That's good.
मैम,
Yes.
मैंने प्ले आउट में गेमिंग पूछी.
Okay.
मैम, मैं
Enjoy yourself when you go out there.
गया था.
So all of you children, you all have explored a lot of things. That's very nice. You go out, you learn a lot of things. You look around. That's great. Arjun, you're trying to say something? Yes, Arjun?
मैं अभी वाटर पार्क गया हूँ.
Okay, that's very nice. You all enjoy in the water park. Huh? Now when summers come, everything is okay.
मैम, मैं भी वाटर पार्क गया हूँ.
Oh, that's very good. So all of you all have been to the water park.
Excuse me, ma'am. मैंने काइट देखा है.
Okay. And you have seen kites flying also. Okay, so now all of you mute yourself. Let's continue with the lesson. So that was all about air. Now let's read the yellow. Yes, Shiv?
Ma'am, can I? Excuse me, ma'am. Can I leave the class?
स्माइल करके नहीं.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shiv, I can hear you.
जो आपने वो जो वीडियो दिया था, भेजा था हमारे में, उसमें जो काम भेजे थे तो वो भी मैंने कर डाले और मैथ्स वाला भी.
All right, Shiv, good. Alia, you're trying to say something?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Alia.
I can leave the class.
Why? What's happened?
Ma'am, I am not feeling well.
What's happened to you?
तुम बताओ तो
If you were not well, Alia, why did you join the class?
बोलो स्पेलिंग बोलो
First period, you were all right? What's happened?
My stomach
Stomach is
स्पेलिंग
paining.
is
All right, go.
paining.
Go.
बोलो थैंक यू
All right, children, let's continue. Come to the yellow box. We must breathe fresh air to stay healthy. Smoke from buses and cars makes the air dirty. Now, very important thing, children. Air gets polluted with all the smoke that comes out from the vehicles. रोड पर जब आप जाते हैं, कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा किसी किसी गाड़ी में से बहुत स्मोक निकलता है और आपको लगता है उफ ये कितना स्मोक निकल रहा है इस गाड़ी से. And then you don't feel nice, you feel suffocated, you can't breathe properly. Just imagine the same smoke is circulating in the air and the same air we are breathing. The air gets polluted, children. कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा, like last year also we had smog. The air was polluted very badly. There was dust everywhere. We couldn't breathe properly. This is all because of pollution. Like you have studied in your moral science also, we need to keep the air, the surrounding clean. We need to plant a lot of trees. We need to take care of our surrounding. अगर हमारी air polluted रहेगी तो हम लोग को बहुत सी problems हो सकती हैं. So you have to take care of that. Now see, there's a little man over there. His name is Golu. Uncle Golu. What is Golu uncle doing in the picture? Can you see Golu uncle in the picture, Arish? What is Golu uncle?
Football.
He's filling air in the football. He's filling air in the football. Arjun, put your legs down so straight. He's filling air in the football. And we come to know that your football needs air. You can see how Uncle Golu is using that air pump to fill air. Now that was all about air. Let's come to water. Just like air, all living things need water to survive. जीने के लिए, to live, we need water. Water is very important for us. We get water from rain. Rain falls from the clouds in the sky. Rainwater fills lakes, ponds, rivers and seas. All the rivers, seas, lakes, they have water, and that water comes from the rain. Rainwater, children, is also, it is said to be the cleanest, the purest form. Rainwater, in some places people collect the rainwater. कुछ जगहों पर लोग जो रेन वाटर होता है उसको कलेक्ट करते हैं और उसको फिर बाद में यूज करते हैं. चलो पेज नंबर 77. पेज नंबर 77. अब आप सोचिए, स्पेशली इन समर्स में क्या होता है, हम लोग को बहुत पानी पीना है. वी हैव टू ड्रिंक लॉट ऑफ वाटर. और अगर वाटर हम नहीं पीते हैं, बहुत गर्मी होती है, थोड़ी देर तक अगर हम वाटर नहीं ड्रिंक करते, देन वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग वेरी थर्स्टी. कभी कभी अगर हम कहीं बाहर मार्केट प्लेस में हैं और वाटर नहीं कैरी कर रहे हैं, वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग वेरी थर्स्टी. वी से वी नीड टू हैव समथिंग फास्ट. So water is very important. We need water for drinking, and not only for drinking, we need water for other work also. Shiv, put that pencil down.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ashwita.
what is the thirst means?
Thirst means प्यास. When you are thirsty, प्यास जब लगती है हमको, हमें पानी चाहिए. And you know children, one more very important thing, winters में क्या होता है, हम लोग ज़्यादा पानी नहीं पीते हैं क्योंकि हमें बहुत प्यास नहीं लगती है. लेकिन हमें पानी पीना है। विंटर्स में भी हमें रेगुलरली पानी पीना चाहिए। कभी कभी पूरा दिन हो जाता है हम सिर्फ लंच के टाइम पर या डिनर के टाइम पर वाटर पीते हैं, लेकिन हमें बीच बीच में पानी पीना चाहिए। जैसे हम समर्स में पीते हैं, सेम वे वी हैव टू ड्रिंक वाटर इवन इन विंटर्स, अदरवाइज आवर बॉडी गेट डिहाइड्रेटेड। यस शिव।
कल रात को मैंने 3 गिलास पानी पिया था।
Oh, that's very good. Okay, so now children come to page number 78. Now water is required not only for drinking but for other purposes also. We need water to do our work also. So many things we need to do with water. Now I'm going to ask you one by one. Quickly you will answer. Roshni? Tashi is there. Tashi? Tashi, be quick. Unmute yourself. Okay, Sayansh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sayansh. Sayansh, give me one use of water. वाटर का एक यूज बताइए। हम ड्रिंकिंग के लिए वाटर यूज करते हैं और किस चीज के लिए वाटर यूज करते हैं?
मैम बात के लिए।
बात के लिए। वेरी गुड। ताशी, गिव मी वन मोर यूज ऑफ वाटर। वाटर हम
Yes, ma'am.
we use water for drinking, we use water for bathing, as Sayansh said. So what else do we need water for?
Planting, ma'am.
Yes?
Planting.
Planting. Yeah, we need
Planting.
water to water our plants. Right. Then Satakshi, give me one use of water.
Brushing. Cloth washing.
Washing clothes. Okay, that's right. Aban, give me one use of water.
मैम
Yes.
नहाने के लिए।
For bathing. That we already had. Okay, Prayan, give me one use of water.
Washing utensils.
Washing utensils. Okay, good. Vikhyat, give me one more use of water.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, one more use of water.
वाटर को प्लांट में डालते हैं।
Water को plants में डालते हैं. Yes, that's what Tashi said, for watering the plants. So we need water for drinking, bathing, washing, cleaning, cooking. Okay, so many uses of water. Water is used for so many things. एक दिन अगर घर में पानी नहीं आता है तो सब परेशान हो जाते हैं. Yes, Mummy says,
Yes,
oh,
ma'am.
there is no water in the house today. You have to be very
Yes, ma'am.
careful with the water that we have stored and kept. So you have to learn
Yes.
to save water. Don't waste water. There are people, there are places where there's no water, children. So you have to
Yes,
take
ma'am.
care. You have to look after it. You don't have to waste the water.
Yes,
Prayan,
ma'am.
sit straight. You don't have to waste water. While you're brushing, make sure the tap in the wash basin is not lying open. Water is not being drained out when it's not in use. Okay? So these are the uses of water. See the pictures given on page 78. We use water to brush our teeth, use water to clean utensils, to have a bath, to water the plants. Different uses of water. Water is very useful to all of us. We must not waste water. Storing water. Now see, water is stored in many ways. At home, mummy stores water in the buckets and pots. You can see the pictures. It is also stored in large water tanks. बड़ी बड़ी पानी की टंकी आप लोगों ने देखी होगी. See, the water is stored in water tank. Then it is collected in dams and carried by canals. Now this you will read today. We'll continue in the next science period, right? Make sure you read the lesson very well, children. Some of you are not reading the lesson. After we finish with our class, you make sure that you read the lesson very well. In class, maybe in the next science period, I'll ask you to read. So make sure you practice reading the lesson very well. Yes.
मैम मैं रीड ही नहीं कर पा रहा.
Arjun, you have to practice to read. Oh, you don't have the books just now. You don't have your books. Tell mommy to arrange your books now. You must. You must.
घर चले.
If you are not carrying your books where you are just now, then you can ask your friends to just click a picture and send it to you and you can read. Right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम मैंने वाटर टैंक देखा, बहुत बड़ा था.
Okay. Where did you see it, Sidra?
मैम मैंने भी देखा, मेरे ग्रैंडमदर के घर के पास.
Okay. Yes. You had gone in the holidays, right? I saw the pictures.
मैंने भी देखा है. जो पानी अंदर पानी मैंने भी देखा.
Okay. So all of you have seen a water tank. You can see the picture on page 78. I'm sure all of you have seen
मैंने
it.
भी देखा है. एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
Yes.
मैंने भी वाटर देखा है.
Water tank देखा है? Water tank देखा है? Yes. Shiv?
मैम
Yes, Kashi, Myra, you're saying something?
मैंने भी वाटर टैंक देखा.
Okay, that's very good. So all of you all have seen water tank. So now you know how water is stored in that.
मैम मैंने भी देखा था वाटर टैंक.
All right, very good. Okay, children. So with that, we come to the end of your science period. Bhavika,